Back through the years I go wandering once again, back to the seasons of my youth. I recall the box of rags someone gave us, and how my mama put those rags to use. They were rags of many colors, and every piece was small. And I didn't have a coat, and it was way down in the fall. Mama sewed the rags together, sewing every piece with love. She made my coat of many colors that I was so proud of. As she sewed, she told the story from the Bible she had read, about a coat of many colors Joseph wore. And then she said, perhaps this coat will bring you good luck and happiness. I just couldn't wait to wear it. Mama blessed her with a kiss. So with patches on my breeches and holes in both my shoes, and my coat of many colors, I hurried off to school, just to find the others laughing and making fun of me in my coat of many colors my mama made for me. They didn't understand it, and I tried to make them see that one is only poor only if they choose to be. Well, I know we had no money, I was rich as I could be, in my coat of many colors my mama made for me, just for